Welcome to Easy Meals with Megan in the kitchen. This has 4 ingredients, 5 if you count music in the kitchen, and I am no chef, but that's why I'm doing these, because I would like to see easy videos from people who make mistakes. So here we have ground beef, and I use this Pampered Chef thing to make it in the microwave so I can do other stuff at the same time. This is just frozen vegetables and cream of mushroom. And of course, you first have to open the cream of chicken, you know, on accident because you thought it was cream of mushroom. Oh, wait, did I say 4 ingredients? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's right. The other is Golden Crispies. So, those little round, it's Tator Tot Casserole. We use the potato rounds. Putting the ground beef back in the microwave for a few minutes, and I started the oven 350, and it'll be 30 minutes in the oven once I've got the ground beef in. And oh, actually, that's wrong. You do whatever it says on here. So for mine, it's 425. So I'm glad I'm making this video. So I'm gonna change that from 350, and then you, for this one, you'll cook it for about 25 minutes. So timing was almost right. Anyway, I hope you enjoyed this. And am I making you dizzy? Okay, that light was weird. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.